Thank you for joining us for Denver 7 News at 10. I'm Jessica Porter.
I'm Shannon Ogden. We're glad you're with us tonight. And tonight, two local power companies and two very different approaches to last weekend's windstorm. 194,000 Xcel Energy customers lost power last weekend. 55,000 of those outages were preemptive public safety power shutoffs. Xcel says they killed the power to remove the risk of starting a wildfire in those dry, windy conditions.
The much smaller utility, Core Electric, saw 12,000 homes lose power, but those lights went out because of storm damage.
Denver 7's Claire Lavazorio tonight compares the actions of those two companies.
Off of Highway 85 in Douglas County sits Core Electric's headquarters. The co-op keeps the lights on across 5,000 square miles.
We cover areas like Bennett and Strasburg east of the airport. We cover Parker and Castle Rock on the south side of town.
In this email to its customers, Core Electric making it clear it didn't preemptively shut off any part of its system during last weekend's storm. So we talked to the co-op's interim chief operating officer to find out what was done to prevent wildfires.
We made the decision to implement some alternate relay settings that we have pre-programmed at all of our substations.
Interim COO Mark Jurgemeyer gives the example. During a storm, the lights flicker, but then often come right back on. Essentially, Core Electric's lines were operating in a sensitive setting during the storm in which power would be cut to a line if it sensed contact, say, with a tree branch. Something that could spark a fire that localized the power shutoffs rather than turning off the whole system.
Unfortunately, it does cause those bigger outages for our customers, and we understand that's not fun to live through, but it's what we need to do to try to minimize the risk.
At the peak of the storm, 12,000 of Core's 175,000 customers were without power. But those outages, unlike Xcel's, were storm-related, not precautionary. Xcel started by doing what Core did, but on Saturday went a step further, cutting all power to 55,000 customers, which took days to restore.
We have leveraged everything that California has done. I believe we made absolutely the right decision.
Jurgemeyer says a preemptive shutdown is an option for Core as well as a last resort.
We didn't for this storm, and we haven't in the past, but it is part of our program. And if we found that things weren't working properly with those alternate relay settings, then we would have had to take that next step.
In Sedalia, I'm Claire Lavazorio for Denver 7.
The Colorado Public Utilities Commission is now launching an investigation into Xcel's decision to shut off the power. And viewers have called and they have emailed Denver 7 asking why Xcel didn't notify customers sooner about that planned outage. And that is something the PUC will be looking into. Governor Jared Polis, in fact, is the one who ordered the investigation.
If people know the power is going to be lost, there's got to be that communication. This took too many people by surprise, not only with the power going off, but also with no way of finding out very inaccurate information on the Xcel website. When will my power be restored? Very unclear. So there's a lot of room for improvement here.
The PUC is looking for public feedback as well, and you can find a link to their survey on denver7.com or just scan the QR code there on your screen. And there's a public comment hearing on Wednesday. A link to register for that is on our website as well.